Do you hate your custom URL? Do you wish that there was a way to change it? Well, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that coming up. Hey, I'm Adam, and if you want to learn how to pimp your channel and make better videos, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. First things first, we got to remove the old custom URL. Because YouTube technically doesn't allow you to change it, you can remove it and add a new one up to 3 times a year. Once you do delete the old URL, it doesn't direct to your channel anymore, so there's no way to have 2 URLs. That's just something to keep in mind. You want to sign in and go to your About Me page on Google. You can click the link in the description and it will take you directly to the page you need to go to. You want to click on the top right and select the brand account for your YouTube channel. So it would be Tube Questions for me, but in this case, I'm demonstrating using an old channel of mine. You may have to click all of your brand accounts if you have a lot of them, but if not, it should just appear in the top right. You want to find a tab that says Sites. It should be directly under your profile, and you want to click the little pencil icon to edit. Next to the URL you want to remove, you want to click the X button. Once you click X, you want to press OK and your URL should get deleted. It may take a couple of days to delete it, but you can immediately select a new one. I'm going to show you how. Stick around. Claiming a new custom URL. Provided you still meet the requirements, you're eligible to get a new custom URL right away. You want to go to your channel features page in your dashboard. You can do that by going to your Creator Studio, clicking channel, then clicking features. Select custom URL and follow the process to create your own custom URL. Just like you did the first time you chose one. Question of the day. What made you want to change your custom URL? Let me know in the comments below. And now that you know how to change your custom URL, click the cards above to watch a video on whether or not you should hide your subscriber count as a small YouTuber. I see this question a ton and I made a video answering it on whether or not you should as a small YouTuber be hiding your subscriber count. I think you'll find it extremely useful. Click the cards above. If this video has helped you and you want to continue attacking the struggles you face on YouTube, click subscribe by hitting the circle over there and click one of the videos below to continue learning about YouTube and the ways you can grow your channel. Once again, thank you for watching. Have an awesome day.